Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Whoa! It's almost like we're flying. Almost. But look at those tui. They're really flying. I wish I could really fly. I wish I knew how they fly. Yeah. Woohoo! I'm hungry. It's like their wings help them float on the air. I've got an idea. We can't fly, but maybe I can make something that flies. With my sandwich paper. You'd better blow the crumbs off it first then. Darwin, look! Titiro! See how the paper goes up when I blow across the top? Interesting. My paper! We have to go get it! It's flying pretty well. Come on! The paper's flying because it's really light. I can nearly reach it. Careful, Newts. Wait for it to land. You can do it, little friend. Look, Titiro. Nothing to worry about. Kia will show you how. Piece of paper blew away. Who is that little bird, Henny? That's Kia's nephew. His name's Manawiti, which means little bird. Kia's trying to teach him how to fly while his mum's away getting food. Wow! I think I'll watch and learn too. Sure! Kia's finding it hard because Manawiti's a little scared about being up so high. Oh, that's no good. Come here, Manawiti. I'll help you down. Wow! He hardly weighs a thing. Birds have hollow bones, which make them really light for flying. Light things fly. Birds and paper. I think we should start the flying lesson down here on the ground. Great idea. Come by. Okay, Kia. Are you ready to show Manawiti how to fly? Yeah. Woo-hoo! Go, Kia! She's strong. Wow! So strength is really important to be able to fly. Manawiti, can you use your strength and spread your wings out? And we will run with you. Keep your wings out. That's it. You're doing it. Wahoo! definitely flying.
You were amazing! Keeping your wings out is really important because the shape of them helps you fly.
You can do it, Manawiti.
Maybe we should show Manawiti all the reasons she's built for flying. Let's science it! Your bones are hollow, Manawiti, so you're really light. Perfect for flying.
That's good. Ka-pai, you're really strong too.
So, when you flap your wings and stretch them out, the air flows over the top. The shape of your wings makes airflow faster over the curved top. And the slower air underneath pushes your wing up.
So, Manawiti, you are designed perfectly to fly. Hey, I've got an idea. I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, the super light flying feathery glider, or as I like to call it, Manawiti Rua. Manawiti and I can fly together.
I love it, Newts. Good job. Ka-pai.
See, it's got all the same stuff you have, Manawiti. Shall we go fly? What a great idea, Newts! Manawiti, you can copy what Newts does.
If Newts holds up the glider, can I hold you up, Manawiti?
I know you're nervous, but we can do it together. You're built for this.
Let's count down.
3, 2, 1. Toru, Rua, Tahi, and go!
Yes! You're doing it, Manawiti. Good work. Ka-pai.
He's flying! And so is my glider. He can't stay in the air.
He has to flap. Kia flaps her wings. She pushes the air down and back. This allows her to stay up in the air.
Yes, and she moves forward, like she's swimming through water.
Now flap your wings.
Flap them like this. That's it! You're doing it! Ah! Ah! Look out! Whoa! Whoa!
Fabulous landing, Newts.
Thanks! Miharo! Awesome!
Hey, where's Manawiti?
Look! Titiro! It's Manawiti's mom! Aww! I knew he could do it! Well done, you two! And here comes Kia! Aww!
Head to DarwinandNewts.com for more.